Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to leave a clan in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through with the on-screen prompts to download or install. After downloading, it's going to take you right into the application where you're going to be asked to pass the first phase of a tournament that's going to be given to you. Once you're done, it's going to take you right into this homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to leave a clan in Clash Royale. First, I'm going to show you how you can join the clan and how to leave the clan. From the bottom corner of your screen, just where you have battle, now at the bottom right corner next to battle, you have the people icon. That's the clan icon. So in here, go ahead and click on show. And as you click on show, these are clans that you can join. So I have this clan in here, this Sam Jill Army. So I'm just going to click on that and I'm going to click on this join button to join this clan. So as you can see, I've already joined this clan, and of course I don't want to play in again. So if you check the top of my screen, you're going to find the Sam Jill Army just right under Amy, under my name, Amy. So I'm going to click on that and you have the Sam Jill Army clan. So I'm going to click on that again. So after clicking on this, you see this option now. This is the details of Sam J Army. Said only for real jailers. If you don't complete count words, you'll be kicked. Oh, I don't care. And location is Nigeria, and required trophy is 0. Donations weekly is how much they donate, and that's pretty sweet. But I just want to get I want to take myself out of this clan. So go ahead and click on this leave button. Do you really want to leave? Oh yes. So go ahead and click on this OK confirmation button. You can see you have left the clan. That's how to leave a clan in Clash Royale. Now I can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.